Good morning, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a quick intro because I have quite a busy day ahead of me. I have to work all day and then rush home and then go back to work again. My goal with the Apple Watch is to lose as much weight as I can in 80 days. My plan is 20 pounds. Before we go too far into the video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more content. So let's get this. It's caffeine time. Oh, it's gonna be good. This one, an all-time favorite. Alright, that work day done. Now on to my police work. Alright, well, I'm on duty now. It could be a busy night. It could not be a busy night. We will see. Overall, it was a pretty good day. I did eat really well. I fasted about 17 hours. I got some good sleep. Not enough sleep, but I'm excited for this evening. Usually the day after I work a late night on the police force, I am pretty tired, so tomorrow is going to be another rest day, but I don't work the rest of the week, so that should help. I haven't eaten very much today. I'm hoping I can get something in sometime this evening while I'm working, but we'll see how the night goes. Hey, so quick note, I have only had 475 calories today. I'm pretty hungry. Well, so far tonight is a pretty quiet night, and I'll take that over a busy night. That's for sure. All right, summary for today. My wife was sweet enough to make me some tilapia. So I had tilapia and rice for dinner. Still only brought me to about 1,300 calories for the day, so it's significantly lower than it needs to be. Tonight, I'm not gonna eat anymore. I plan on drinking plenty of water still, and I'll be going to bed maybe in about an hour. It takes a little bit to wind down after you work a night like this. 80 days is a long time to focus on health and wellness, to record content every single day, so I definitely appreciate every single one of you guys for following me, for supporting me, for watching me. This channel is definitely a tech review channel, and right now my favorite thing to review and go through is the Apple Watch Ultra. Not only is it an amazing device when it comes to tracking all of your health data, but it's extremely durable. Check out the link above here for that battery review I did just recently. This watch is so good at keeping me motivated. One of the biggest reasons I upgraded from the Series 4 to the Apple Watch Ultra was to drive me to be healthier. And now I can definitely say, after using it for about 4 or 5 months, and especially within the last month, it is so good at tracking information that it keeps me on point all the time. The Apple Watch Ultra, paired with all the apps I have listed in the description below, is a powerhouse of tools to help you lose weight. It may feel like my weight loss is slow, but my clothes fit different, my uniform feels different, and just everything that I do now feels different. I feel so much better, and I'm looking forward to seeing what I weigh in the morning. But now I want to say thank you so much again for watching my video. If you've made it this far, hit that like button for me. Hit subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. As always, have a great night, and God bless.